Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to record on Directv stream. So there's a lot of ways on how to record a game or a show on Directv. So I'm going to show you this article here. So launch your web browser. You can either use your phone or your PC. Go to directv.com/support/article/this code here 00009360. So this is the support article for recording Directv content. So there's a lot of ways here. So you will know how to schedule recordings from the program guide, schedule recordings via search, recording your favorite sport teams games. If you have a DVR, then you can manage your DVR recordings. Just follow these steps here. And then you can schedule recordings at their website or on the Direct app. This article is all you need. You can also use this guide as a troubleshooting guide if you encountered an issue. Basically, that's it.